Hi, Luigi here, aka Illustrazionidilut. Today we are gonna unbox these supplies from Etchr, an Australian brand which I already collaborated quite a few years ago. I think it was 2022. They sent me some cool products they made, also in collaboration with other artists. This time they are sending me mystery box here, which I haven't opened yet. We are gonna open it together, so it's gonna be also a surprise for me as well. That's why I'm actually recording this video the exactly day after I receiving them, although it's 38 degrees outside and my ventilator is off at the moment in order to record this video, so it's gonna be very quick. Here I have this limited edition Boundless Barrows sketchbook and palette box set. This is a collaboration with an artist and YouTuber I'm admiring, Emily Hughes. She's a Canadian artist doing mainly gouache portraits and animals such as this. So I recommend to have a look to her channel, but I'm quite sure you already know her. In this box is included also 3 months of lessons, a basic of gouache portrait for beginners. Inside we have the stickers pack from her, very cute print of a rabbit, also paint from her. And then there is a foundation of portrait in gouache. I'm looking forward to take this class with her. Gouache color mixing guide, she self-made. Then there is the real star of this box that is actually sold out, so I don't think it's possible to order this nowadays. It's kind of a collaboration they did a couple of years ago, so actually I'm surprised they sent me anyway. Quite light, still great size, B5 watercolor sketchbook, B5 in size. That is something in between A5 and A4. 100% cotton for mixed media, vegan friendly sketchbook. I love the design they made together with this. I haven't opened yet because it's cotton paper. I don't want it to open it till I'm gonna actually use it, so the sizing is not gonna be compromised. You see also the decal edge of the paper, which make it with more handmade feeling. Under the sketchbook there is this Etchr palette, also featuring this rabbit from Emily Hughes. It is travel one, so kinda small but still with 16 wells for gouache, and there is this silicone which make it also stay wet palette. So it means that your gouache is gonna stay liquid longer, I guess up to a few days. And let's go now to the mystery pack. They launched recently, I guess. I've seen quite few videos on YouTube. Pack boxes every month there is a new one. I think they are part of this limited edition, they call it. So it's limited edition products. They comes with a more than 40% discount on the products themselves. They do kind of a Kickstarter thing, so they check how many people they are interested in buying, and then they actually produce it if there is a minimum request. Always, as Etchr product, they are designed in Australia and made in China, as is written here. I think this one is the May version. Paper itself is really cool with this silver llamas. That it's the Etchr logo. Hands inside, and look what's here. Ooh, made edition sketchbook. For those who follow me and have a look to my recent videos, I made a video about my sketchbook problems. I have too many, and after that video I also bought more sketchbook. Taking some inspo, this sketchbook comes with complimentary access to etchrstudio.com. See the card insert inside for details. Cold press portrait format, that's my favorite, together with square format. Also B5, 100% cotton, decal edges as well, same number of paper. So I think it's kind of similar to the one I just showed you. And it includes 30 days free access to online art classes. This is actually really cool. A brand having also a website with classes. It's something also Strathmore. The past years they have some workshops on their website. And it's also packed. It's very nice cover. Limited edition sketchbook. Wow, this is really beautiful. With the llama logo and this green and blue combo. Perfect for wet and mixed media, hand-torn, decal edge, open flat. Wow. I'm not gonna open it at the moment for the same reason I told you, but this is really something I always like. It's not something I needed, of course, but of course I will eventually needed something inside. There is this QR code to scan to access to art classes. Then let's see what's inside. And there is this Swatch system, limited edition cold press, 30 sheets. I think this is something that helps you to swatch colors on the go, ready to be checked. So extra classes inside. Watch and learn, getting to know your paint's personalities. Learn how pigments behave with Kitty Meyer. They like this thing that they introduce these classes on the website. And for me, that I'm always struggling with color theory, hues, and so on, it's definitely something I appreciate. And yeah, this is exactly what I thought. I haven't seen something like that, or at least I haven't searched for it, so something I'm gonna for sure use for my watercolor and inks and gouache swatch charts. So there is still a couple of things inside. Another sketchbook, oh my god. Surface Study Sketchbook Bronze, 7 by 7 inch, mixed media, 44H, vegan friendly. So the sketchbook I've recently bought are just a replacement of other sketchbooks from Art Creation Royal Talents, which I'm finishing. So actually those kind of sketchbook are more like stress-free sketchbook that I'm filling out with whatever randomly comes into my head. These more precious sketchbook are always level of stress to your approach to them. Okay, this looks beautiful. I already saw something. It's golden bronze, square format, features 230 cold press paper, 100% cotton, 250 black paper, 100% cellulose, 220 hot press paper, 100% cellulose, perfect for wet and dry, open flat. Oh my god, it's mixed paper. No way. This is something I never seen, really, literally. Black paper for gouache or marker. I have hot press paper and cold press paper, cotton. Great travel sketchbook because you bring this and you have everything in one. This is really cool. And then I think there is still one thing, no, two things. There is a smaller thing here. Mini artwork card set, ACEO format, cold press. Okay, for those who doesn't know what ACEO is, it's something is popular in the past months, and the Etchr thought about jumping into it straightforward. Small trading cards that artists are either actually trading or selling, and they are getting popular, I believe, on eBay or this resale platform. Here they are providing quite few cotton and standard size, which is specifically 2.5 by 3.5 inch. Create quick finished pieces, experiment without pressure, shade or gift your work, and build your own collection. Something maybe similar to what I'm actually doing. No, the coaster challenge, creating a coaster sushi challenge for myself with these 10 coasters I have. I'm gonna bring to a marker exhibition I have soon. And I think this is the last thing. More paper. Wow, it's a box full of paper, so it's actually my favorite thing. It's a limited edition watercolor paper block, hot press, 6 by 6 inch, 15 sheets, 300 GSM, glued on 4 sides, in collaboration with Kathleen Baran. An artist and educator based in the Philippines, blending art and science to bring nature to life. She prefers hot press paper for its smooth surface and ability to capture fine, intricate detail. Alright, this is a lot of paper. A long artist life in order to finish all the paper I'm having and buying and receiving. This is all that was inside the mystery pack from Etchr. This limited edition surface study sketchbook is really unique and interesting with multiple paper inside, and this is top-notch sketchbook from Etchr, so great value. Rest of things, I'm really interested in the Swatch system chart. Maybe I will also join the class included in it. Tell me in the comment what's more interesting for you, what sparkle your curiosity. Pricey point of view, around 100 euros, a little bit more than 100 euros, and I declared the value for this 40% more. Gouache bundle from Emily Hughes, the price was similar. Etchr has always been on the more pricey side. Their products, I always have the feeling they are well thought and extremely well curated. I'm looking forward for your impressions, and I thank you for watching. I go back to turning on the ventilator, and I see you in the next one. Bye.